Alright, let's talk about what we're going to do this week in construction. Uh, First year, Introduction to Drafting and Design. Y'all going to actually keep working on the plans that we've been working on as far as the houses. We're also going to do a little bit more on scale. So we're going to go through and show you why it's important to draw stuff to scale, and then we're going to go over actually reading a ruler, because we're about to get into working on tape measures and that type of stuff. So important things that we need to make sure we're all on the same page on. Introduction to construction. We're going to be working in the lab this week, and we're finally going to build those bird houses we've been talking about. We have a lot of, I guess you'd call scrap lumber. So some of that lumber we're going to turn into bird houses, and it's going to give us a time to practice some of our skills before we start building the outdoor furniture. So what the plan is you'll actually build the bird houses out of 2x4s, 2x6s, which is pretty big lumber, but I'm not as interested in the bird house as I am of actually learning and making sure we're fastening things properly and using the impact drills and that type of stuff. So that's what we're going to be working on in second year. So you need to make sure you bring your safety glasses, you bring the proper shoes, and a good attitude, because we're going to be ready working in the lab. Carpentry, y'all are going to work on the shed for Habitat for Humanity. We're going to actually price that up, estimate it, give Steel Lumber the material list, and see if we can't get the materials and get going on that. That's going to be a big project. Should take us a little while. I would say a couple of weeks to get that finished and completed. So that should be pretty good. I think we'll probably build it inside and then put it on like a pallet where we can move it back and forth. This will be a good project. The electrical. So we're going to be working on basic devices. So when I say that, I'm talking about electrical switches, duplex receptacles. We're going to go through and build our own circuits off of those. We'll probably use the power supply and make those circuits where they're low voltage, and we can actually test what we're working on. So that's what's on for construction this week. Hopefully you had a good weekend, and see you on Monday.